How to create an account on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create an account on Upwork. So do watch the video till the end and then without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any browser on your device and search for upwork.com. Press enter and you will reach on the official interface of Upwork. Click the sign up button at top right corner of the screen. And here you need to join as a client or freelancer. So once you have chosen, you need to click apply as freelancer and here you can either continue as Apple or your Google account. So or you can also enter your first name, last name and email and the password as well as the country. So let's enter all the details. Once you have entered all the credentials, you will need to click Create My Account button at bottom of the screen and don't forget to check mark this both the boxes. So let's create our account. As you can see that you have successfully reached on this messages section of Upwork and you can also see your own profile at top right corner. So that is how we create an account on Upwork. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.